back today with a new video, and today I'm featuring OMGHerHair. Baby, they sent over this gorgeous wig, Burmese curly sun-kissed highlight 3D dome cap from OMGHerHair. This is a 9x6 3D dome cap. I was blown away by this texture. As soon as I unboxed this wig, these curls, I already knew what it was gonna give. Lace, unmatched. When I tell you super HD, I used no spray or glue for this install. This was completely glueless, and once I put that lace up against my skin, melted. I love the reinforcements in here. You have your non-slip grip. You have an upgraded drawstring along with an adjustable band that has non-slip grip in there as well. So as you can see, I put this on and then I cinched that drawstring, tuck it in, and I do use the comb in the nape. That's all I needed to do to secure this wig. Like I said, no spray, no glue. I'm fluffing the curls out because I do want to see how big this gets before I wet it down. For this one, I decided to wet the hair down. I used a little bit of mousse and I went in with my diffuser, but the density on this is perfect. Super full, but it also is lightweight with a natural look and feel. So here I'm using my continuous spray bottle and I'm spraying everything down, and then I'm going to use my brush and brush that in. This brush, I'm gonna link it below. You need, I don't know why I was late to the game. You need this brush for curly hair. Look, I'm just too excited about this. So I'm gonna continue to wet it down. I didn't drench it, but I wet the hair completely down just to get the full effect. And the way these curls, the ringlets at the bottom, so pretty. I didn't even put mousse in here yet, and you can already see the curls popping. So if you go to the website, use the link down below. It'll take you to the website and you can choose your wig, desired length, etc. Basically customize it for you. This is definitely an investment wig. This is something you can have and wear for a while. And I love that you can kind of wear the curls differently. So as you can see here, this is what the hair looks like with the curls wet. Then you can wear it with some mousse, which is going to tame it and define the curls even more. But if you're someone that likes that poofy, voluminous look, by day 4 after this process, the curls are absolutely perfect. So I have worked with this company before, and experience is always, I've had a good experience each and every time. I'm going to link my other collaborations with them at the end of this video so you can check it out. I tried a boho braided wig from them, and y'all, that's one of the best braided wigs that I have ever. Human hair braided wig. Like, it was giving you left the salon and got your hair braided. So all those links will be down below. Look, but let's get back into this wig. As you can see right here, it's completely wet. I did do an outfit change because the black, I don't know if you could see the hair good enough against the black top. So here I'm working in this Lotta Body mousse, and look at that. Oh, do you see the way those curls bounce back? Man, this is gorgeous. When I say OMG, yeah, it's giving OMG because look how the curls pop back. Absolutely gorgeous. So after this step, you could honestly let the hair air dry. I wanted to speed up the process, so I did decide to use my diffuser on a cool setting, and that just helps speed up the process of drying the curls while keeping my curls intact and in a defined state. So here I'm just going to continue to use the diffuser throughout the hair. Once it fluffs up, that's when I start to show you different styles, and I do tease it a little bit and pull some of the coils apart just so I showcase all of this density. This is a really nice hair texture, quality hair texture, minimal shedding. I know with a lot of curly hair, once you start to brush it through, you do get a lot of shedding. With this, I can honestly say minimal shedding, minimal. So I'm going to continue to do that. One side, this is what that looks like, and then I'm going to move on to the other side. You see the way those curls are so defined, and I love the highlight on this. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at it. It's the perfect mix of color. So if you want a little bit of color but you don't want something too bright, this is the perfect color for you. So once again, all links and details will be down below, so be sure to check that out. So next, after that, this is where I start to fluff it out. I'm loving this look right here. Honestly, you can stop here. Look how deep that part is. That blew me away too. Deep parting, but you can stop here if you like, but I decided to just fluff it out a little more. As I stated, I like to wear mine in multiple looks, the wet look, the big look, but that poofy look is just, is something about it. I also want to mention that this hair is 24 inches, so when you stretch it, it is really long. With this curl pattern, you don't notice the length right away. So you know how curly hair coils up, so you don't really see the 24, but once it stretches and with a little bit of wear, I'm gonna say day 2, it'll look a little longer. So this is what it looks like from the back, a full 360, very full density. This is 180 density, so keep that in mind. And I'm showing you the hairline, perfect, no powder, no nothing. The most that I did was I used concealer to get rid of the line of demarcation from my wig cap, but as far as anything for the lace and the blend, I didn't have to do anything at all. So this is the style that I decided to go with. I used a claw clip and pulled some pieces back and left 2 pieces out in the front, and then at the end I just take that piece of hair in the back and I flip it up in the claw clip. But you can absolutely wear this in multiple styles due to the parting space and the construction of the wig. So once again, I want to give a big thank you to OMGHerHair. Y'all check out my Instagram reel. I think I'm about to start posting short content, like hair content on IG. I kind of left IG for a little bit, but I see the hair content's doing well over there, so I might have to spin a block. So once again, big thank you to OMGHerHair. Big thank you to y'all for clicking on another video. Don't forget to check out those other videos at the end of this one. All links and details will be down below. All products used will be down there as well as on the screen. And I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in the next one. Bye. That's not too much, but this isn't a crime.